English speaking practice.
Can I take a day off?
Sorry, not possible.
Can I take a break?
Of course.
Can I join you?
Yes, please.
Can I borrow your book?
Yes, here it is.
Can I leave now?
No, please stay.
Can I use your phone?
Sorry, I am using it.
Can I sit here?
Of course, you can.
Can I ask you a favor?
Sure,
Can I have some water?
sure, I'll get it for you.
Can I ask you something?
Please.
Can I call you?
Yes, you can.
Can I help you?
Of course.
May I ask you a question?
Sure, please ask me.
May I bring my cat?
Sorry, it's not allowed.
May I borrow your money?
Sorry, I don't have money.
May I smoke here?
Sorry, it's not allowed.
May I use your laptop?
Sorry, I am using it now.
May I leave early?
Yes, if you have finished it.
May I come to your house?
Yes, please.
May I have some water?
Certainly.
May I use the restroom?
Yes, it's on the corner.
May I call you?
Sure, why not?
May I help you?
Of course.
May I have a moment of your time?
Sure. What is your name?
My name is Linda.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is gado-gado.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are writing and swimming.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. And what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white. Well, Linda, thank you for today.
Are you free?
No, I am busy.
Will you stay?
No, I will leave.
Is it safe?
No, it's risky.
Is he thin?
No, he is fat.
Am I ugly?
No, you are beautiful.
Does she love you?
No, she hates me.
Were you present?
No, I was absent.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you love me?
Well, no, I don't.
Can you read my love letter?
Yes, of course. I can.
Will you marry me?
No, thanks.
Are you angry?
Yes, a little.
Why are you angry?
Because you are so rude.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Please forgive me.
Okay, forget it.
Shall we keep talking?
Yes, let's keep talking.
Did you come to my house yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Have you done your homework?
Yes, I have.
Are you thinking of me?
No, I am not.